Hi, I'm Anando Mukherjee from Sonodyne, India, and we are showing here at the ISE our new generation of powered speakers for custom install as well as for studio. Here we have the new range of the SRT series with built-in DSP, and each of these speakers, which are meant for custom install for home theater, for multi-channel audio, have dedicated amplifiers, and they are tri-amplifiers. And then we have the IWO series with a matching subwoofer, which is meant for smaller rooms. So this system here can be used in various configurations for custom install in residential applications. And another application of the powered speaker is our new SRP range, where we have a variety of applications, products that are meant for studio as well as custom install applications, from 3-inch, 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch and 8-inch. And the new generation has a new range of transducers and new Class D amplification, so it can be used in areas where the studio application uses Class AB amplifiers and the custom install application uses Class D amplifiers. So that's the SRP new range and the SRT new range along with the IWO for various applications of high quality powered speakers in custom install and in studio. Thank you. Our company's website is www.sonodyne.com.